Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, this is the 1 hour chart of gold USD in front of us, and we can see that gold is standing at 1967, 1968 range right now. Yesterday, I had to struggle a lot for my 40 pips because there was a severe drop on gold, and after making a low of 1957, okay, gold started going up. So it was a really horrible ride, but yes, still okay. I got my 40 pips. But if you look at the chart right now, then yes, you can see the market is not moving much. There is not volatility in the market. And what is the reason? The reason is the Fed Chair Powell speech. Yes, we have the speech coming up, so you can say that mostly there will not be much volatility or craziness in the market. Market will mostly be waiting for the speech here. If you look at the news, you can see gold price is flat as investors await Fed Chair Powell's speech. Gold price is flat amid mixed cues. So this is the market sentiment right now. So we can expect that more or less market will be respecting our levels. So as a result, we need to trade from level to level only. But the problem is that my chart is totally messed up. So I need to clean the drawings first so that I can explain step by step. So let's get started. So first of all, let me remove this drawing here, and we can see that market is right now facing some selling pressure, some resistance around 1970 here. And what is 1970? 1970 was the previous support, which is acting as the new resistance. And at 1970, we also can see that we also have the FIBO 23.6% retracement level. So this is the present resistance on the chart of gold right now. So if you already have taken a sell here, you can be on the trade, no need to exit. And during the day, especially during the European session, if you see market showing some upside, you can look for some selling opportunity around 1976, which is the second resistance in front of us. Why 1976? Or you can also say around 1975. Okay, let's make it 1975 to 1976. And the reason is that we can see FIBO 38.2% retracement level. Along with that, we also have the 50 moving average around the area. So if the volatility is not very high, if we follow the market sentiment here, then we can hope that there will not be much volatility in the market. In that case, we can expect the 1975-76 around this area market will face some resistance. Once you'll see market showing price rejection from above, you can go for a sell. How much you can expect? Do not expect much, because if you think that you'll be able to ride the trend, then yes, you may get trapped also. Okay, you need to be flexible today because market may not show big moves. So you can expect 30 to 40 pips, not more than that. Okay, but if you want to hold your positions, then that's your personal choice. I will not comment on that. And this is our next resistance, and then we have the best resistance before the speech around 1982 to 1983. And you can clearly see we have FIBO 50% retracement level. Along with that, previous support will be acting as resistance. Then we have the 100 moving average, 200 moving average. So we have multiple resistances around 80 to 83 area, and I think that 80 to 83 will be a very strong resistance. And after a speech, if gold tries to show some upside also, and there is a possibility that after speech also market may face some trouble to cross 80 82 3 level here. Okay, so 1975-76 is a resistance before the news if the volatility is low, but 80 to 83 is a level where we can expect that if the volatility is high, still we can expect some resistance. But yes, get the confirmation first, don't be a gambler. Okay, because a trader only trades when the opportunity is right. Okay, so why 80 or 82, that particular level is so strong here? We have the answer in the option chain data. So yesterday I showed you guys that at 2000 level we have a huge number of contracts, but you can see today that the number of contracts have been reduced. Okay, so yes, the the players are still present at 2000, but you can see that slowly they are also taking position at 1980. So 1980, you can see we have 6159 contracts. So 1980 is also becoming a good resistance right now. You can see after 2000, okay, where we have the highest open interest, we have the highest open interest at 1980. So yes, 1980 is also a strong resistance right now. So on the chart of gold, okay, on the chart of gold, market is standing at resistance. If you have taken a sell beyond the trade and during the day, if market shows upside, your next selling opportunity will be around 1975.76 because of the FIBO 38.2% retracement level along with the 50 moving average. Not a big resistance, but yes, if it reverses, you can look for a sell. But around 82, 83 level, we have a strong resistance because of the contracts, because of the technical factors like previous resistance, support becoming resistance, FIBO 50% retracement level, along with the dynamics resistances. So if market reverses, we can definitely look for a sell position. And I don't need to repeat that the resistance of 2000 2010 is still very much present on the chart, and I don't think so market will be heading towards this level. In case market goes also, I don't think so market will be having the strength and power to break these levels. Okay, so this part is clear. So let me take you to the next part. Okay, so where is the support then? As we all know, market is still inside the range. The range of goal that we have been discussing is still very much valid. The range of goal or the support of goal around 1950 is still very much valid. So 1953 or 54, 1954 to 1950 is the next support. So if you're hoping for a buy position, you can expect that market will be taking some support around this area. First of all, we have a price rejection around 1953 level. 1950 is a round number psychological support, and we can also see on the contracts that we have a good number of contracts at 1950. Okay, so I have my buy limit at 1950. Let's wait and watch. Okay, I don't think so. Okay, I'll have to struggle like yesterday because 1950 is a better level in comparison to 1960. So this is 1950, and you can see that we have a good number of contracts, and there have been some plus, okay, addition in the number of contracts. So we can expect that this will be the next support. But don't trade blindly. We are traders. We need to respect our capital, whether it's a small capital, big capital, doesn't matter. Okay, confirmation and right discipline is very important. So once you see the market has entered the zone, switch to a lower time frame for entry. If you see that okay, market is taking support, then hit the buy button. And in case market breaks the support here, because after all, fundamentals dominate the market. Technicals may be very strong, but they are not the strongest. They do not determine the trend of the market. So if market breaks the support here, if market breaks the support of 1945 or 1950, okay, and if you see the market is going below 1945 and the selling pressure is very high, in that case, market will be heading towards 1930 level. Okay, market will be heading towards 1930, which is the next support. Is 1930 or is 1930 the strongest support on the chart of gold? Obviously no, but yes, you can expect a minor bounce. But no need to talk about 1930 right now. Don't think about 1930 right now. Let's focus on 1950 or 1950 or around 1950. So let's wait and watch. Keep in mind, market will be volatile. Beginners, new traders, traders with low capital, do not try to gamble with your hard-earned money and capital. Observe the market, gain some experience, but try to close down your positions before the speech. Okay. So that's all from my side, my dear friends. Bye bye, take care, and do your own analysis, and please follow proper risk management. Be a trader, not a gambler. Bye bye, take care.